a fan of a unique keyboard, or do you collect some unique keyboard on your home already? On today's video, we have listed keyboard with most unique design. Klingon language standard keyboard. Are you a fan of Star Trek? If you are a fan of Star Trek, you're probably gonna love this keyboard that uses the Klingon letters in it. This keyboard is specifically designed for Star Trek movie enthusiasts. In fact, there are many courses for learning Klingon on the internet. Despite the design, the output of this keyboard is similar to alphabet on your daily life. The OrbiTouch keyless keyboard and mouse. This keyboard comes with an integrated mouse. The keyboard also has no button at all. If you want to type using this keyboard, you have to rotate the orb on the middle to select letters and forms the words you want to type, just like how you use an old rotary dial home phone. This keyboard might be not favorite if you use the keyboard for daily use, but if you are into an antique and enjoy collecting a unique keyboard, you might gonna love this keyboard. The F-type vertical keyboard. This F-type vertical keyboard has an outstanding design compared to other keyboards by soaring upward. This keyboard manufacturer said that his innovation was created to replace conventional keyboard. However, some people believe that this keyboard is too extreme since users can hardly see the alphabet on the keyboard due to the extreme design. The Multron single-handed keyboard. This Multron single-handed keyboard was created for users who are typing with one hand. This keyboard is used by persons with disabilities who only have one hand. The official store website also stated that this keyboard can be used for typing up to 85 words per minute. This keyboard can also be used for those who want multitasking while typing with one hand.